Hi y'all, I am here just wanting to show you a deconstructed bloom type 3 pour. I don't know exactly what it's called. I use the bloom paints and I layer them in a cup and then I flip them. So I'm going to call it the bloom flip cup. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. But anyway, and this is an old canvas. I just didn't want to waste it, and I was like, well, I want to see what these colors look like together, so let's do it. Anyway, what I did is I first put in my cup, these are my cell activators, and it's mixed with Australian floetrol. It's Australian Amsterdam white and Australian floetrol. Purple Pearl by Amsterdam, the Pearl series or whatever. So you gotta put them over a dark color to see them. Aqua Turquoise Flash. This one is a color I made myself. It's kind of a turquoisey look. Purple Flash. Then I made this purple. It's just, I think I added white to dioxazine. Here is 24K Deco. This is Naples Yellow from Amsterdam. This is, I don't know. I think it's like a burnt umber or something. I didn't write it on there. I should have. This is a copper gold. This was a liquid. It was a ink, acrylic ink. But it wasn't by any name that I recognize. But it was very shiny, so I thought I'd put it in paint and see what happened. So here we go. But anyway, I started with in the bottom of the cup, I put the cell activator first, and then I layered my colors, and then on the very top of the cup, I put my pillow paint, which is, house paint. I use Pittsburgh, the pastel, and I get that at Menards. Okay, and this has been sitting for a minute. I want it to sit because that cell activator that's at the top, or well, it's at the bottom of the cup, but when you flip it, it's at the top now. It's going to work its way down. You see these little cells over here? Aren't those cool? So cool. Anyway, that's going to work its way down through the other colors, and then it's going to create magic. All right, I think we waited long enough. I'm ready to do it. You ready? Oh, I'm gonna go slow. Oh, yes. So satisfying. There's no silicone in here. Just strictly the Amsterdam titanium and the Australian floetrol. So all these cells over here and stuff are from me putting the cell activator in there. So, like, ooh, look at the inside of that cup. Oh my God, can you see it? Oh, I want that on my, I want it on here. So I'm gonna just turn the cup over it and let it sit. Let's pop some bubbles. I took my gloves off. I wish I hadn't, but I needed to put my camera in the thing, and I didn't. I'm gonna get my phone camera all messy. Ooh, look at where I torch. It gives cells. Oh, all in this white. I am loving it. So I probably am torching too much, but I love it. This right here, I love it. I love it so much. Okay, let's see. Did we get it? Did we get more? Where did those beautiful colors go? Oh, the cup is so pretty, you guys. Selling cups. No, just kidding. But really, if I could make the outside of cups look like that, that's something to think about. I think I can do it. I think I know. I've got an idea. God, that is so pretty, you guys. I don't know if you can see it like I can. Anyway, let's get back to the artwork here. So we're going to put some paint down around so we don't lose too much stuff. Probably should have just poured it out from that container. I always think that this spray bottle or the squirt bottle is going to help. It just seems like I want to squeeze it harder because I need more to come out. Yep, I think I'm just going to take the top off here. You know what? I've got one that's just for pouring bigger amounts. So we'll see if this works. A little bit. Okay. Let's see here. That's going to be enough. I'm looking at it. I don't want to lose this down here. So, oh man, or this. So this side's going to go off first. Okay? Okay. And I apologize if I don't keep it in the camera all the time. I'm really trying to concentrate on I see more cells opening up. Oh, I'm going to lose all this paint. Alright, sorry guys. I'm just going to spush it on there. That's my new word, spush. I think it's like squish and push together. Okay, bring it back to the center. I think I'm going to go this way now. I guess I could have lost more of that paint. I just don't want to lose too much paint. Oh my gosh. So, as long as it's going to take me to move this down, I'm probably going to speed it up for you. If I remember, sorry. Sometimes I forget. Oh, I'm just loving those cells right there, you guys. This is gorgeous. I love it. I can't wait to get it down here so then I can rock it back and then open those up. You gotta be patient with it though. You don't want to go off that edge a little bit. Go down here. Off that edge. I don't want to lose him completely, but I'm going to. I'm going to. God, that's so sad. Okay. Like all my cool stuff is around the edges. So, you know what that means. Ugh. Which one do I like better? Don't know, but I think I'm going to come down first. Try and walk it. All right, I'm going to stop real quick because it's acting like it don't have enough paint here to roll, and I don't want to lose any of it. So if I have to waste a little paint to keep what I love, then I will. Come on. Oh, I think there's a clog in it. This is what I'm talking about. Ridiculous. All right, we'll worry about that in a minute. My fingers are so messy. All right, back to what we was doing. Okay, let's get her there. Go off this a little bit right here, and then up here, rocking back. Come on, come on. Lose so much of it. Oh God, this is terrible. All right. I will get that with paint that I scrape up off the side. Because, there we go. You guys, this is looking so good. I love it. All right, now and I don't even mind like the big parts of white. Like, it's cool. Okay, I think I need to put some paint here. I'm trying to get that whatever clog out of the way now. See, because I don't want it to get hung up. I keep getting to that clog and then I can't get no more paint out and it's really terrible. These cells right over here by my thumb. Holy moly. You guys. So pretty. I love using Bloom recipe for all the different pours. I do have colors that are mixed with glue all and all that goody stuff or whatever. I'll fix that corner in a minute, but I want to roll you off this way. And ta-da, back. And then walk back down to this corner a little bit because there's just a lot of that. And I want this blue alien looking thing to run through it. It's so cool. I don't want to lose themselves over there. I am honestly in love with this so much. I need to go around and get all my edges, and right now I'm not doing it the best way. I need to get my hands washed and then get one of my palette knives and go around and fix them real quick. My edges. Or I can do that after I bring you down for a close-up. Okay. Oh, I'm usually wearing gloves. I just rushed into it. I was like, yay! Oh, wow. Look, there is something going on there. Oh, you know what happened? Water dripped from me washing my hands and it made these cells over here. They're kind of cool though, so I'm not gonna trip too much on them. This I'm gonna pop some bubbles. And so I'm not expecting this piece to be like real nice because it was an old oh darn it, where's that? Here we go. It was an old canvas, so I was just, fooling around. Okay, come on, get on there. All right. And I'm just working the edges right now. I'm trying to. I am doing my best. Looks like I might have to tilt that a little bit to fix that one. Okay, bring him back over. Get him some, everything's hims and hers when I'm painting. Alright, and I need to put some paint there and there. A little bit there. And this should be my last corner over here. Yep. And I think we are good. But, well, like I was saying before, it's an old canvas. There's like tons of crap underneath it. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Anyway, this is so pretty. If you guys liked it, please leave me a thumbs up and a like and a comment or whatever. I may not always have like all my materials and stuff in the description. I'll be working on trying to update my videos like that here soon. But if you leave me a question in the comments, I will answer it. So if you have any questions, I'll answer it. But anyway, thanks. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for coming to my kitchen where I'm not cooking. I'm painting. Bye.